Remember Mother's Day last year? Yeah,
it was my birthday.
Pretty lame, wasn't it?
It was.
Yeah, I might have missed it. So let's really spoil Mom this year. How can we do that?
That's right. Sharing some fun laughs and good eats at home might be kind of more your style since everybody can get together. So if so, our friends at Family Fare have the perfect meal idea. Plus, while you are there grabbing those ingredients, you can snag some gifts too. Many memories in our household growing up came from being in the kitchen with Mom, whether we were working on her recipes or maybe one that's been passed down from my grandmothers, great-grandmothers. Well, we want to honor our moms this Mother's Day by us doing the cooking. And one person who is so excited to pass along a family recipe is Joe Puglisi with Family Fare. Thanks so much for having us in your kitchen.
Thank you, Leanne. Thank you. Yes, it's one of our great traditions in the Puglisi household. The kids always come over to the house on Sunday, but in this instance, being it Mother's Day, we're going to be making our favorite spaghetti sauce handed down from my mother. So my wife has learned to create and mimic this recipe, and it turns out very good. Now we're gonna share that recipe with you today. But first, the first thing we're gonna talk about is a salad dressing, a salad and a salad dressing. So the salad here, what we have is just your regular romaine lettuce. And what I want to share is, particularly coming into the summertime, this is a very, very refreshing summer dressing. And I learned this, I actually got this recipe from my instructor back in when I went to college. I took an art class, and on the last day of class, he would share this meal with us. And this recipe for the salad dressing consisted, very simple, consisted of olive oil, 2 parts, lemon juice, 1 part, herbs from Provence, this is the key ingredient, this is awesome, and then fresh garlic. All right, so we just want to shake this up a little bit, get it mixed up, and then just pour over the salad just like that. Just give it a nice little touch. And then if you want as well, you can add some fresh black pepper. I love black pepper, gives it a nice little bite at times. And then we can just top it with some shaved parmesan. I like the shaved with my salad. I like grated with my pasta, but we just put a little bit of shaved parmesan all across, and voila, there you have it. This is one beautiful salad for your summertime and Mother's Day dinner.
All right, so we have our salad.
We have our salad.
Kick things off.
So
let's get a little bit more aggressive.
Okay, so now, there's the big part. So now we're getting into the pasta and the spaghetti sauce. And what we've done in our household, these are our own fresh canned tomatoes. So we do this every year, right around Labor Day. That's when the tomatoes come in. We use Roma tomatoes. So we get all the kids come over, grandkids come over, and we put together a nice little production, and we create our own spaghetti sauce.
That's your secret family recipe.
That's the family one, but it's no different. You can use, so you've got tomato sauce. Obviously, we use regular tomatoes, so you got tomato sauce. You want to add some paste, and if you feel as though it's a little bit too watery, you just add a little bit more tomato paste to it based on the size and how much you want to do. We usually add about half a cup of sugar. We have oregano, and that's really about it. And you want to let this cook for about 2.5 hours. That's about a good timeline. You can judge it from there, see if you want to add some more paste to it or not, but about 2.5 hours.
Now the good thing is you guys have a great selection here of sauces and pastas at Family Fare.
Yes, well. We have a number of different varieties. We've got our family, and then we use the Barilla pasta in the Puglisi household. So
big fan of that in my household too. All right, so we have everything cooked up. Now you get to go ahead and serve Mom this awesome dish.
So we're gonna get Mom here a fresh plate of pasta.
And Mom eats first this time around.
Oh yeah, always.
In our household, Mom always eats last.
Always.
Right?
Then we're gonna add some sauce.
Now, do I see a meatball floating around in there?
Yes, you do.
You make those yourself?
Yes, we do. My wife and I will cook the meatballs, get those prepared the night before, depending on what we do. Whenever we make it, sometimes we use meatballs, and sometimes we use Sicilian sausage. So it gives it a nice little bite. It gives the sauce a nice little bite, and it's very good. Then we want to add a little bit of grated parmesan or Romano, whichever you prefer. This here is Parmesan. I prefer the Romano, but again, it's a little bit more of a bite, but look at that. That looks beautiful. Beautiful. So now Mom has got the plate of her dreams from her favorite husband.
And the thing is, I think sometimes spaghetti and stuff like that, or the penne is better maybe 3 days later too. So if you make enough, Mom can relax for a couple more nights.
Exactly.
You guys already made dinner for her. All right, so we got to go ahead and treat Mom's appetite. But you guys have so many awesome, great things. Let's talk about what she's going to drink.
When you're in the Puglisi household, it's a red wine. And I'm going to start, I picked a couple of bottles out here. Some Meiomi, this is a Pinot Noir. My favorite here, the Prisoner. It's a blend for those white wine drinkers. We've got a Sutter Home. It's a buttery Chardonnay, which is very good. But most importantly, the other tradition we have in our household is we make our own wine.
I love it. You guys have created some wonderful traditions in your family.
Beautiful traditions. So.
All right. So moms, they do love flowers. They're going to tell you they don't, but they love flowers. But as far as flower arrangements for the table or something nice to give Mom in a card, what kind of options does Family Fare have for that?
We have a variety of options. We have lovely bouquets, but we got a number of potted plants that you can see here. There's a variety in all of our stores. And then more importantly, as we get into the peak of spring, you're going to see a lot of arrangements and bedded plants, and you're going to see some hanging baskets, and that's one thing that my kids usually give my wife as a hanging basket. But in addition to that, we have a number of gift cards for all different types for you to purchase. Help Mom on her Mother's Day. You've got a Bed Bath & Beyond, just a number of different gift cards that you can choose from to help satisfy Mom on Mother's Day.
Well, there you go, one-stop shopping. They're going to take good care of you here at Family Fare. Happy Mother's Day. And once again, you can find all those recipes and more at shopfamilyfare.com. Let me tell you what, one of the best things about that shoot, well, I love going to Family Fare. He fed us before and after.
I knew you were going to say that. You get all the food. I think I know what his wife's having for Mother's Day.
His meatballs are amazing.
Really good food?
Yeah.
Oh, we got to go to Family Fare. We'll be right back.